Do you suffer from health problems and low energy in your everyday life? Would you like to lose weight, heal faster, and gain an extra 3 hours every single day? Do you want to take your mind and body to the next level? After you complete this workshop, you will be able to increase focus and mental clarity, heal faster and gain more energy, gain an extra 2 to 3 hours every single day. You will learn to increase confidence, discipline, willpower, and resilience. Slow down aging so you look and feel younger. My mind was blown about the possibilities of biohacking. My passion is to help you get the most out of yourself. Sign up now, and I look forward to serving you.